the chevron is gone. School also needs a radio to be gone. So the same if can be added here, which only gives that radio for certain items, but not here. So newsletter doesn't have a radio and home doesn't have a radio. Our whiskey has this one and it only becomes active. If we click on the link, it should go to the link. And if you click on this one, it checks or unchecks, but this should go to the link, which we can see it changes at the top over here. And if we do have an actual link that's not with hash, then it goes to some place the link is pointing to. Now this hover kind of indicates something, which is something I'm not happy about. Over here, we can see that it ends better, but over here it's quite doing at the very start. So maybe that padding that I've done earlier was okay. Do I still have it padding in line? Okay. So let's do here 0.5 rem. Okay. Now it looks slightly better. We can even do 1, right? Cool. So now we should do that list after the input. And that list should be inside the wrapper. Yeah. Okay. Let's do nav dot top menu subnav. Okay. And then inside this one, each sub nav item in main item dot list. Then we need an anchor tag. And here we got an href, which is sub nav item dot probably href, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's href title and link. Okay. Then title equals sub nav item dot title, and this one so far is sub nav item dot link. Okay, we can see a lot of links one after the other, and all of them are test. We'll change them later on. Now let's start with subnav. Okay, so subnav here it's okay. Subnav, it's the display flex, justify, no, flex direction column. So now they are one on top of the other. And if I'm to expand this over here, you can see there is quite a big gap. I'll show why we have a 40 pixels gap. We can do the same. That's not an issue. And what about bosons? Bosons are about 42 pixels in 36 plus 8, 44. Well, why 36? Should round it to either 40 or 44. Let's round it to 4. Not that bad. 44 is 2.75 rem. Okay. Now this anchor tag doesn't have a class, so let's give it a class. Top menu sub nav link. Okay. And we can do it here. Ampersand top menu sub nav link. Okay. So we got top menu sub nav link. Okay. Top menu sub nav link has a mean height of 2.75 rem, which is 44 pixels. Okay. Now we can see it. We can see it better over here.